Highoh reusable menstrual pads. So this is the period starter kit, and I will put all the links down below for you. And this happens to be the overnight period starter kit. So I just want to show you what we're working with. So these are the heavy flow, overnight, long reusable menstrual pads. They do have the medium flow as well, where you would get 6 pads. But in the extra long overnights, you get 4. And they are very, very long. And you get a waterproof, a wet-proof bag. Oops. So that's Highoh. So here is the bag, and even the strap on the bag, it has a snap, so you can snap it onto something else if you'd like. And it is mess proof in there, and it has a zipper. So you get, like I said, 4 of the super long overnights, and then you would get 4 of the medium flow if you got that period starter kit. So that is what it will include for you right here. Thumbnail. So these have reusable pads in general have many, many benefits in case you are unaware. So these happen to be bamboo and charcoal infused. They are washable. So not only are they going to save you money from having to buy these pads all the time, but they are also good for you because they are not bleached like the normal store-bought pads, and those chemicals in the bleaching process are actually thought to increase menstrual cramping. So by using a pad like this, you're actually quite possibly decreasing menstrual cramping as well. So there are so many benefits. Now, Highoh itself was a company started by 2 sisters who come from a poor financial background and had an issue with spending enormous amounts of money, you know, throughout your fertile lifetime as a woman on these store-bought pads. So they came up with a solution, and they invented these pads. They have also decided to help other women. Anytime you buy a period starter kit, they will donate a pad as well. So let's take a look at how this works. It's pretty self-explanatory. I didn't bring a model panty for you to show you because I'm pretty sure you can figure this out. But there are 2 choices of the snap for you to decide. This also corresponds with what size panty you wear, because obviously a larger size panty is going to have a little bit of a wider bottom. So you can go on either setting here for the tightness that you want. It is recommended that you use a good size, a good fitting size panty. You don't want anything too baggy, obviously. And it's good to wear a brief or a high cut with this. You're obviously, don't put it on with a thong. So, but it will stay in place because of these adjustable plastic snaps for you. So that's it. You snap it onto your panties, leave it on. It does stay in place. I tried this out in the house because I was afraid to go out and about on my first time trying this, but it did stay in place rather well. So then when the pad is soiled, you roll it up. Oops, I think I rolled it the wrong way. Here we go. You roll it up and then you snap it closed again. And that way you can place it into your mess-proof bag. until you can wash and dry it in regular laundry. So let's take a look at how it works. So I'm going to do a little experiment for you. Before I do that, I'm also going to give you some coupon codes, 10% off with this code. You should also watch this video that will also explain further how this works. And I will link down below again, the link to the product off of Amazon and also the Highoh sisters' other social media platforms. So I have prepared this test solution for demonstration, and I chose to color it because unlike a lot of TV commercials, as much as I have hoped and waited, I have never produced anything blue like they use on commercials during my menstrual cycle. I've waited patiently, but it's never been blue. So I figured I'd go with this. So let's take a look and see it in action. So here I'm just going to take a little bit of my solution, my experimental solution, and show you guys the magic. It's so cool. So watch these drops disappear. They just disappear. And then the super, super, super cool part too is after it all gets absorbed, it's dry to the touch. So cool. So again, good for your body, good for the environment, good for your wallet. Just awesome stuff. This is the future, guys. So check this out. Again, all the links down below. Your overnight starter kit would have your 4 and your mess-proof bag, and then your regular medium flow would have 6 pads. Great investment, awesome product. Go check it out, and thank you all for spending some time with me today. I'll see you very, very soon.